Ant. Ants are small but strong. Bee. Bees make honey. Butterfly. The butterfly is colorful. Mosquito. Mosquitoes bite people. Fly. Flies like sugar. Louse. Lice live in hair. Dragonfly. The dragonfly has long wings. Damselfly. The damselfly is very thin. Beetle. Beetles have hard shells. Ladybug. Ladybugs are red with dots. Firefly. Fireflies glow at night. Cockroach. Cockroaches run very fast. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers jump high. Cricket. Crickets sing in the evening. Locust. Locusts eat crops. Mantis. The mantis is a hunter. Termite. Termites eat wood. Wasp. Wasps can sting you. Hornet. Hornets are bigger than bees. Jello jacket. The jello jacket is black and yellow. Moth. Moths come out at night. Caterpillar. Caterpillars eat leaves. Silkworm. Silkworms make silk. Aphid. Aphids are pests of plants. Cicada. Cicadas make loud noises. Honeybee. Honeybees live in hives. Leafhopper. Leafhoppers jump from leaf to leaf. Plant hopper. Plant hoppers stay on plants. Stink bug. Stink bugs smell bad when scared. Water strider. Water striders walk on water. Bedbug. Bedbugs hide in beds. Flea. Fleas are tiny and jump far. Wasp. A wasp has a thin waist. Weevil. Weevils have a long snout. Dung beetle. Dung beetles push balls of dung. Rhinoceros beetle. This beetle has a horn on its head. Stag beetle. Stag beetles look like deer with antlers. Scarab beetle. Scarabs are sacred in some cultures. Click beetle. Click beetles flip over with a snap. Ground beetle. Ground beetles live under rocks. Longhorn beetle. Longhorn beetles have very long antennae. Jewel beetle. Jewel beetles are shiny and beautiful. Darkling beetle. Darkling beetles are usually black. Potato beetle. Potato beetles damage potato plants. June bug. June bugs come out in summer. Bark beetle. Bark beetles eat tree bark. Water beetle. Water beetles swim in ponds. Housefly. Houseflies are common in homes.
Thank you for watching.